Seekh Kabab recipe. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, a platform dedicated to showcasing the culinary skills of Chef Mariam, a highly skilled and experienced chef who specializes in Seekh Kababs. Chef Mariam has a passion for cooking and has honed her skills over many years, working in top restaurants and food establishments across the world. She has now decided to share her knowledge and expertise with the world through her website, which offers a wealth of information about her culinary background and experience, as well as her favorite recipes, cooking tips, and other resources for fans of Seekh Kababs and Middle Eastern cuisine. Visitors to Chef Mariam's website will find a range of information and resources, including detailed recipes for making delicious Seekh Kababs at home, cooking tips and techniques to help you perfect your skills, and information about Chef Mariam's background and experience in the culinary world. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, Chef Mariam's website is an excellent resource for anyone who loves to cook and wants to learn more about Seekh Kababs and other Middle Eastern dishes. The website also includes a section dedicated to Chef Mariam's restaurant or food business, where visitors can learn about her menu offerings, view photos of her dishes, and even place takeout or delivery orders. Whether you are in the mood for a juicy and flavorful Seekh Kabab or want to try something new from Chef Mariam's menu, her website has everything you need to make an informed decision about your dining experience. In conclusion, if you are a fan of Seekh Kababs and Middle Eastern cuisine, welcome to Chef Mariam's website is an excellent resource for you. With its wealth of information, recipes, and cooking tips, Chef Mariam's website is the perfect place to learn more about this delicious dish and how to make it at home. So, why wait? Visit Chef Mariam's website today and start cooking. Seekh Kabab is a popular and delicious dish in Middle Eastern cuisine. It is made from ground meat, typically lamb or beef, mixed with spices and herbs, formed into sausage-like shapes, and grilled on skewers. Seekh Kababs are traditionally served with flatbreads, chutneys, and dips, making them a perfect dish for sharing. Introduction. Here are 5 key points to introduce Seekh Kabab. 1. Origin. Seekh Kabab is a popular dish in Middle Eastern cuisine, originating from the regions of India and Pakistan. 2. Main ingredients. Seekh Kabab is made from ground meat, typically lamb or beef, mixed with spices and herbs. 3. Preparation. The meat mixture is formed into sausage-like shapes and grilled on skewers. 4. Serving. Seekh Kabab is usually served with flatbreads, chutneys, and dips. 5. Popularity. Seekh Kabab is widely enjoyed around the world and is a staple of Middle Eastern street food and restaurants. Seekh Kabab recipe with Chef Mariam. If you love Middle Eastern cuisine, then you're sure to love Seekh Kababs. This juicy and flavorful dish is made from ground meat, typically lamb or beef, mixed with a blend of spices and herbs, and grilled to perfection on skewers. Seekh Kababs are usually served with flatbreads, chutneys, and dips, making them a perfect dish for sharing with family and friends. In this blog, we will be sharing a complete Seekh Kabab recipe that has been created by Chef Mariam, a highly skilled and experienced chef who specializes in Middle Eastern cuisine. Chef Mariam's recipe for Seekh Kababs is sure to impress, and is a great way to try something new in the kitchen. Ingredients. For the Seekh Kabab mixture. 1. 1 kilogram ground lamb or beef. 2. 1 medium onion, grated. 3. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1 inch ginger, grated. 5. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. 6. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh mint. 7. 2 teaspoons cumin powder. 8. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 9. 1 teaspoon paprika. 10. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 11. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 12. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 13. Salt and pepper, to taste. 14. 2 tablespoons oil. For serving. 2. Flatbreads. 3. Mint chutney. 4. Tamarind chutney. 5. Onion rings. 6. Lemon wedges. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, mix together the ground lamb or beef, grated onion, minced garlic, grated ginger, chopped cilantro, chopped mint, cumin powder, coriander powder, paprika, garam masala, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Knead the mixture with your hands until it becomes smooth and well combined. 3. Divide the mixture into 10 to 12 portions and shape each portion into a sausage-like shape about 6 inches long. 4. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat and add the Seekh Kabab portions to the pan. 4. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. 5. Skewer the Seekh Kabab portions and grill over hot coals or on a griddle pan for 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are cooked through and juicy. 6. Serve the Seekh Kababs hot with flatbreads, mint chutney, tamarind chutney, onion rings, and lemon wedges. This recipe for Seekh Kababs is just one of the many delicious dishes that Chef Mariam specializes in. If you're interested in exploring more of her recipes and culinary tips, be sure to check out her website or follow her on social media. In the kitchen with Chef Mariam, cooking is always an adventure. Her passion for food and her love of Middle Eastern cuisine is evident in every dish she creates, and her Seekh Kabab recipe is no exception. So, why not try something new in the kitchen today and make these delicious Seekh Kababs for yourself and your loved ones? Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam is a skilled and experienced chef specializing in Middle Eastern cuisine. Some certain information about her and her Seekh Kabab recipe might include: 1. Expertise. Chef Mariam has extensive knowledge and experience in the preparation and cooking of traditional Middle Eastern dishes, including Seekh Kabab. 2. Signature style. Chef Mariam's Seekh Kabab recipe might feature her own unique twists on the traditional dish, showcasing her creativity and culinary skills. 3. Popularity. Chef Mariam might be well-known and highly regarded in the culinary community, with a strong reputation for her delicious Seekh Kabab and other Middle Eastern dishes. 4. Awards and recognition. Chef Mariam might have received recognition and awards for her culinary abilities, including accolades for her Seekh Kabab recipe. 5. Availability. Chef Mariam might be available for private cooking classes, catering events, or to share her recipe through her website or social media channels.